Izabela Kosmowska from Vision Quest Wellness. I'm going to show you a very simple salad, a little bit of greens, a little bit of radicchio with beautiful avocado. I just purchased that. It's Caribbean avocado with some Ontario tomatoes. So I prepare some of the stuff. I already washed the stuff. It's a radicchio, organic radicchio, and it's a little bit bitter, which is very good for you, with some little greens of kale. I'm going to add a couple tomatoes. Okay, I already cut the avocado. It's just very beautiful. So you can just slice it inside. And with a spoon, very easily, I have the wrong spoon of course, but your pieces of avocado, oops, whoopsie, you can probably do it a little bit different way, but you can make as nice as you like the core. And I have some shallots, which I just sliced with like onions. So of course avocado, tomatoes, onions with all the greens. It will be quite delicious. And again, this time we'll have a lemon, a little bit of lemon rind from organic lemons, of course. You don't want to have lemon which is sprayed with pesticides. And a little quick, if you get a pit, you can just take it off. And we just bought this very beautiful organic olive oil. It's from St. Francis. It's a really good company. So that's the first day we're trying. Just drizzle a good organic oil, natural, and just used for really good salads. We don't cook with olive oil, we cook with coconut oil, but I find this is great for the salads. Pinch of nice parsley, and this has, everybody has an individual salad for dinner. Enjoy.